channel. I'm Monique, and today I'm going to show you how to get this summer. It reminds me of a sunset. I was inspired by Olive Sarai here on YouTube. If you want to see how I got this look, please continue to watch. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to be using my 3502 palette again. I'm going to take the color, what is this? Ablaze. This orange color, and I want to use a very dense crease brush. I'm going to pack on this color. I'm going to put it all over my eyelid. Now I've already set my eyelids with the Maybelline Fit Me, and then I used some powder. So I'm going to pack on this color all over my lid. I'm going to pack this color just a little bit above my crease. Just like that. Alright, next I'm going to take this NYX, this is in the color STFU, and I'm going to blend this out in my crease. I am getting a little bit of fallout with this color, and I do have to really pack it on to see the yellow. Then I'm going to take my NYX liner. I'm going to do a very thin line. Alright, today I'm taking some new lashes. I don't normally use Eyelure. These are ones by Jasmine Brown. I don't usually like Eyelure just because the band is super thin, but I decided to try to work with it today, and I actually ended up liking them. While that's drying, I'm going to quickly put on some mascara. And I'm also going to prep my face with the NYX HD Studio Primer Base. Alright, I'm going to pop on these lashes. Alright, and we'll finish the lower lash line in just a minute. So I'm going to still be using my Clinique Beyond Perfecting. And I'm going to use my Morphe Y6 to blend this up. Alright, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape, just to cover up any dark circles and highlight my face. And I'm gonna go back with that Y6 brush just to blend it out. I'm gonna set my face with the Makeup Revolution banana powder with a big fluffy brush. Alright, I'm gonna bronze up my face using the Black Radiance contour palette. I'm gonna use a soft hand to do this. I'm not really trying to contour my face today. Today I'm gonna put on some blush. This is still Black Radiance and Toasted Almond. Alright, so now I need to finish my lower lash line. So I'm gonna take this pencil brush and I'm gonna go back in with, what was this? A Blaze from the Morphe 3502 palette. Put this all on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take some black liner and quickly put some in my lower lash line. I'm gonna blend that out too with the Blaze color. Oops, my eyes are watering so bad. I'm gonna go back with the NYX Yellow. I'm gonna put that in my lower lash line too. Right, I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna hop into my Morphe 9C palette and I'm gonna take the color Fool's Gold right here to put this in my inner corner. Also kind of drag this color on my lower lash line. I'm gonna spray my face. I'm gonna use the Becca highlighter in Prosecco Pop. I want to put this on the highest points of my face. And then I'm going to use this NYX lip liner in brown. I'm gonna overline my lips just a little bit. And I'm gonna take Colourpop in Beeper. This is one of the ultra matte lips. Alright, so I just put some of that champagne pop on my Cupid's bow, and we are all done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye.